Good morning. Here we are in one of our projects in Los Angeles, in La Cañada to be exact. And we're prepping today for our coping. This is a precast concrete coping. It's a very nice material. Homeowner wanted to match also what he had existing here on his patio. So we found the manufacturer. We set the stones, the coping, we ordered it and make sure we had enough. So in this pool, for example, we have the pool on this side, and here's our spa. So we have these corner pieces that are very, very, very nice, as you can see right here. And they they make a limit to our pool. So the length of the pool may vary because all pools are custom. So in this case, we have to match the material to the length, so we don't end up with small little pieces like that. We don't want no little cuts in our projects. So we have to have everything the same size. So we actually have to do the math and shave most of the pieces in all of our jobs that we do this type of installation. Weather is also a natural stone. That way we don't end up with a lot of mitten corners or pieces that looks like somebody didn't do this math. We do the same procedure with a tile installation as well. So that's the procedure, and that's what we do in all of our projects. And this will be an ongoing progress. I will show you guys later in a couple days the progress on this project, and we'll comment more about what's coming up in to complete this project.